Hello, Rovia here. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin, why in the long term we are extremely bearish and why the Dow Jones industry will trigger down the Bitcoin price and will crash the whole market. So see the facts and stay away from the market. This is my opinion only. Okay, on the trading view, I made charts with longs on ADA, on one chain, on Bitcoin USD. You can see here was a falling wedge on the Bitcoin, broke out, and the price was going up. Will go up until 45k, and after we will see it, how will be the indicators and what will show you the market. So at the moment we are bullish. But what is the problem? I want to show you some correlations between Dow Jones industry and the Bitcoin price. The Dow Jones industry is buoyed by the top 30 biggest company like Nike, Adidas, uh, Cisco and something else on the US on the US on the United States. And now I want to show you this correlation. So if the Dow Jones Industrial Average will go down, the whole market will crash. The Bitcoin, the Ethereum, cryptocurrencies will go down really hard. So here we can see on the Dow Jones Industrial Average on 2022, the price on January, February and March was dropped really hard. On the Bitcoin you can see the price was dropped. So here was a drop on the Bitcoin price 65 percentage, which is is too much. It's too much. Here at 2018, you can see October, November and December the price was going down really hard on Bitcoin USD. On November, on December, on January the price was going down really hard. Here also it's an example. On 2018 in February and March the price was going down. What happened on the Bitcoin? In January, February, March the price was going down. So it's a really important correlation on the Dow Jones industry and Bitcoin. So this is one of the most important thing why I don't want to long this market. I'm only short at the moment. I know I like Bitcoin, I like Ethereum, it's my coins. But if you can make a lot of money, why not? Just press short and make it. So at the moment we are bullish in the short and mid term, but what I want to show you is the long term. So you can see these correlations. Now I want to show you some interesting things about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, because if we go down, Bitcoin will follow. Here you can see macro, see stochastic. Okay. Okay, I want to zoom it a bit. Okay. Now Dow Jones industry is situated into an ascending channel. Ascending channel, it's a bearish channel. It's a bearish channel, which yeah, something like that. So Dow Jones industry, it's a bearish channel. It's situated into an ascending channel which is bearish, and which means the price will go down. Why? The support line here was broke, and now we need to wait 1 month until 1 March to see where this candle will close. So if we close this line will be turned from support line to resistance line, and after the price will go down. Why I think will go down? It's really simple. We have a really huge bearish divergence on the monthly time frame. So if a time frame is bigger, not like 4 hours or 6 hours. So if a time frame It's on 3 weeks, 1 monthly, 2 months. If it's bigger, the price action will be bigger. Okay, so the dump will be biggest. Here we can see a bearish divergence between the price action going up, the indicator going down. The same thing we can see on the stochastic and the price. So we have a huge confirmed bearish divergence, and the broke down from this channel. So the target from this channel is okay, is 20% down from here, which means, yeah, something like that. So when, because this breakdown will happen because we have a ton of bearish signals, like COVID. We have problems with shipping supplies. China have problems with the global economy, with the house sales. In the United States, the inflation is is very big, and we have a lot of problems in the real world. So this will trigger down the price of the world market and the Bitcoin price. So here we can see, if on March, here we have the first red candle, the bear market is approved. So the price will go down, 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 and down. We have these things, signs, but at the moment, we don't have a red candle on the moving average. We are waiting for it, but will come. So here we have the ascending channel. It's a bearish channel. The price will go down. What happened when the moving average crossed below? So the blue line is the bull line, which means the power of the buyers. If we'll go and close under the orange line, the price will go down. So here we can see. Here we have an example, right? The price dropped really hard. Here we have another example. The price dropped really hard. So if you can see, at the moment the moving average, it's really up. It's really up. So the moving average is at yeah, 2013. It's really up. So it's at all-time high. I don't understand why some people want Bitcoin at moon, and to double, triple their money at the moment. No, the price will go down really hard. So this is one important fact. Bitcoin and Dow Jones Industrial correlation. Dow Jones Industrial is in a really big trouble. You can see here, and Bitcoin same, because we have the bear market confirmed. It's confirmed. Why? Because here we can see, here was the first red candle on the moving average on the monthly time frame, and now we have the second candle. So the first candle was confirmed, and the price will go down. If we check the liquid the if we check, here is the top formation for the Bitcoin. If we check the index for Bitcoin, here we can see the wall. Here we can see the wall statistic, the wall price action. Here we can see what happened when the moving average crosses below, when the blue line crosses below the orange line. So here cross below was a huge drop. Here close below was a huge drop. So we can see in the past the same thing. Here you can see cross below was a huge drop, and now cross below and will be a huge drop. So stay away from the market, stay away from the market. Another important fact. So another important fact, this is the first time when Bitcoin was rejected on the 2 months time frame. Never was being rejected. So here you can see, you can now Bitcoin bought in 2008, when the last bear market happened on for the global economy. Now here we can see a reject to appear. The wick of the red candle need to be above the previous green candle. So here was not a reject, was only a short correction. If we go ahead, here we can see here was not a bear market. In 2018 was a really nice correction. For a bear market to happen, one, we need a reject. Two, on the moving average need to drop below, on big time frame need to drop below the neutral zone, which is 0. So here didn't drop below, so was not a real bear market. Why? Because the Dow Jones Industrial was in bull market from 2008 until now. Why? So where we can okay, 2008. So here was a bear market for in 2003 was a bear market for Dow Jones Industrial, and was a bear market here the last time in 28 20 yes 28 29, exactly when Bitcoin was born. So Bitcoin was born exactly at the bottom of the market, of the bear market for a global economy, and now we are here. So never Bitcoin never catched a real bear market, never catched a real bear market. And now we can see here, for the first time in the history, Bitcoin made a reject on the 2 monthly candle. It will be a really hard and a really uh, will be dumped really hard. So stay away from the market. What is important also, so we can see where is the support line. Okay, will be dampened, but where will go? So this is the global, yeah, you can see here, this is the global support line from the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can and will go here in the first base, which means, yeah, you can see on the right of the desktop, yeah, here will go firstly. Yeah, after, what will happen, depending what Dow Jones industry will do, because after this dump, the price of this channel will put Bitcoin something like that. I know it's crazy at the moment. Oh, moon will come, and yeah, I know, but we have a lot of bearish things. We have bearish candles, confirmed patterns, and so on. Huge bearish divergence on the Dow Jones industry. You see a lot of problems in the global economy with COVID, with vaccines, and so on. So a lot of negative things will happen. The and not the last one, which is very important. Bitcoin doesn't have liquidity on this stage. Why? Because at the volume profile we can see, so if this candle is bigger than this means here are more buy orders than here. So between 38k and 30k we have not too much but a lot of buying pressure, but after we'll drop at 38k without any problem, like bam. This here we have the buy power, and here you can, and when the market will go down from here you can accumulate. It's not near bottom, or I don't know where will be the bottom, but here is good to accumulate some coins. This is a fact. Why? Because here is a lot of buy orders. So if it is a lot of buy orders, the buy pressure is more, and you can buy also here. This was my video about Bitcoin. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow I will come with some educational materials like bull flag or reversal patterns or something like that. But if you have a better idea for me for tomorrow, just tell me on the comment. Hit the subscribe button and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.